Ladies and gentlemen, this is Hip Hop One. What's identity? Let me introduce. It all started on the New Year's Eve. Look, Shuba's keeper, 12 squeeze, Grover's big. Who that shit? I'm like, what the fuck? Who that shit? Them Kanye Googa man, I'm like, yo, who that shit? Hey, what it does, so they let you say what it.
We gotta blaze up the sounds of lights. We gotta blaze up the sounds.
632 yiphi office uthi qhwakele engcupheni njengezidesentiyana ngamanye amalanga and asaziyo zalankomoni kweyanamhlanje. This is uMexicano man, a Mexican ehamba nosazi bethi Caps and Bennies man. This is a nice track and sifuna ukuyibona live kusasa kwi hip hop ngasekhaya eClermont next to Uhuru. Abayazi kabanzi iClermont abayazi kahle kangcono bangakutshela ukuthi kephi Uhuru and iseClermont mawungena nje eClermont emtshebheni waseClermont. Emtshebheni waseClermont nje mawungena uzeyibona iUhuru. So hip hop ngasekhaya kulonyaka izobe ikada. So unumber 7 wethu namhlanje, number 8 wethu niyeze enye yama new entries akhona u ethi grinding and number 9 wethu namhlanje sibe no Wonderman ethi iwewe ehamba nomshizi business, you know. Those are our new entries for today on Under Hustle feature. This is a feature where we promote underground music, underground cats who are willing to ukuthi angene commercial. Amajita hustlisha hard for ukuthi umsebenzi wayo ubonakale ku mainstream. And I think ama label amakhulu alalele njengamanje ayayilalela le show ayelalela inanda 88.4 FM ezukuthi imapha amajita angawathatha wasayini because khona umjita esokhuluma ngaye later if not tomorrow. So sisafuna ukusicover kahle sisiqede istory wakwaba khona la kwi-Under Hustle engathi sezamlungela izinto usethola i-deal ngenxa ye-Under Hustle feature, ngenxa yenanda 88.4 FM, ngenxa ye-Hood Up team. So we've got ama-comments la abantu bayabuka ku-Facebook. Sinondumiso Mkhethusi la uthi le edlala manje zisha kakhulu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi iyona le phela manje Mexican ehamba nosazi bethi Caps and Bennies. This is your Under Hustle with Umlisa Wekigaba. 0861462632 ngitshela ukuthi ikhiphani yiphi track ehlaba umxhwele. Otherwise siyaqhubeka nayo Under Hustle Top 10 masibuya la.
All right, let's get this show on the road.
Reasons to be proud of you in Under 88.4 FM. Happy 7th birthday. Hashtag 7 years of quality radio.